Whoa. Whoa! Ho, ho, ho! 100 yards away.
That was somebody property across the street.
I'm gonna stand away from the door frame.